Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today we've had a new build of Windows 11 for the dev channel, and this new build 25281 contains a few little things that are going to kind of guide us into the future of Windows 11. The install went well. Like most of the insider builds in the dev channel for a while, they've been pretty much all installing very well. 25281 is the second build available for this year, and basically it is a kind of an interesting new build. Second or third build, I'm trying to figure out now. Anyways, it is, of course, a build with test of different features for the future. One thing that came to mind, and some of you might see it, if you go to your settings and go into your Windows Insider settings, you might notice in some of the settings for insiders, you will have a choice of experimental features. Not everybody sees it yet, but there's an option that says, well, do you want to have experimental features with your insider builds, which is kind of interesting. So that's one of the first things that some of you might see, kind of guiding us that maybe in the future, something might happen that is going to give us a choice. Maybe it's the A/B testing, give us a choice if you want it or not. So it's going to be interesting to see what exactly that means. There's an improved Spotlight section, so if you are using Spotlight, which is the desktop pictures, so I got it here. This is a Spotlight picture. If you now go and hover over some of the features, so first of all, if you go into settings, you got to choose a Spotlight option in the personalization, and in the background option you choose a Windows Spotlight as an option. So Windows Spotlight feature, there's going to be a hovering of the icon over the desktop, and you right click the icon or double click the icon, and there's going to be richer and other user interface options available for the Spotlight feature on some. So A/B testing, once again, available on some, not everybody. So depending on your PC, not everybody sees if there is or not the same information on the Spotlight info. Depends on your PC and what you have. And if you have, of course, the famous feature icon. The other option is that is interesting here mostly is the Notepad. If you have installed this dev channel build, you go and take the Notepad. Notepad now, after a Microsoft Store update, will have tabs. So you'll be able to use different tabs and write different things on the different tabs. So you might have multiple text open now on each tab. So this is, of course, new for the Notepad. So these are some of the things we knew Notepad would eventually have that option available at some point, and it seems that it's being tested right now in this latest build. So that's pretty much what we're having as the new features, and looking into the future of Windows 11, what's going to happen in the moments. Not everything that you see or everything that is there is going to eventually be there, but a lot of it is probably going to show up in some of the moments in the future of Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching my videos.